Bitcoin is trading at 37.5k right now, and as a trader, one of the things you need to do for success is to understand the dynamic nature of price. So therefore, you must analyze your chart in such a way that when your analysis is not playing out, or at some point on the chart right here, and you discover that the market is not going in the predicted direction, you have to change your perspective. You have to change your directional bias about the market. Let's look at what is going on the one-day chart today in all of other pairs in the crypto market. If you are new to this channel, please help like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, which is very important. And on the one-day chart here, I told you about a divergence, which is very clear on the chart right at this point. If you connect from here to this very area, and if you also connect from this very point to this very area as well, so you connect 2 points, that's how divergence work. So if you connect from here to this very area, you see that the price on the chart is moving upward and that of the indicator is moving downward. This is a potential bearish divergence, and I said that for us to confirm that this divergence is true and it's going to play out, we're going to look for two things. Number one is the formation of the MACD on the negative side, which happened, and the second thing we were waiting for is this very area on the chart should break this very trend line, and the market do come down right here. And I told you that it is not necessary, because immediately after the breakout, market begin to move to the upside, and so therefore we need to wait for the market to break this significantly. Okay, we find out around this very area. So right now the market is moving upward significantly. Remember, we are in an uptrend, and market have capacity of still moving to the upside because there is no structural break. Okay, the market is at this very area of resistance. What I am now paying attention to, listen very attentively, what I am now paying attention to is a breakout. That means if we see the market break here on this level of resistance at this very point, then it means that the market is going to continue this movement sporadically to the upside. The reason why is because we have a failed divergence, first of all, that the market is supposed to obey and move to the downside for significant retracement that failed. And secondly, the market has been in this area for some time now. Okay, for about 2 weeks the market has been at this very area. So therefore, if the market break with a significant bullish candle, which is very important, the market is going to move straight upward to $40,000 and $45,000, and this is what I am expecting right now, guys, and it's very important. Nevertheless, if market still come down from this area and break on this trend line, which is still very valid for this very divergence, and that will also mean that the market is going to come back down as well. So these are the two things you need to watch. These are the two levels you need to watch right now on the chart: this very area of resistance and this trend line right now. Okay, so once we see a breakout on this trend line, then it means that the market is going to come back down for significant retracement before continuation. And if we see the market break out on this level of resistance, then it means that the market is going to move into $40,000 and $45,000. This is what I am expecting right now and watching on the chart. And on the 4-hour chart, we look at the market move all the way from here into this level of important resistance. If you look at this chart very well, you find some important key levels. This very area was the highest high in the market. So if you draw this out, it is called that the market is already into this very key level right now. And another point that is also very important is this very area where we have rejection from, and it created a new high, higher than the previous high at this very immediate resistance. So it also means that this very point is also important on the chart right now. So what this means is the market on the 4-hour chart have capacity of retracing back down before continuation to the upside, and that is what I am expecting right now. So even though you see the market begin to move upward a little bit, as we are seeing right now, market begin to move a little bit upward, don't buy the market. Market is going to retrace significantly before continuation to the upside. And if we see this retracement that will go to the downside turn out to be a lower than the previous low at this very point, then it means that the market have changed direction. So what you need to pay attention to and watch right now on the chart on BTC is a retracement. That means market should come up a little bit into this very level of $38,000, and where the market is right now of 37.5k. From this very area, I am expecting the market to come back down before continuation to the upside. So expect retracement to happen in the market, so the market should go bearish. And on the ETH chart, if you look at ETH, very important level to watch is this very area right now on the chart. So this very point is an important level of resistance which the market is into right now. We see this very zone, which is also very important on the chart as well. So from here to this very point is where the market rejects and come back down a little bit into this point of support, and right now market is moving upward. So a new close that is above this means that the market have capacity of moving into this very zone of resistance. And what that means is it is not a time to look for buy opportunity. The reason is because the market has been moving all the way from here of this level of support right at this point to the upside. So markets move from here and then retrace a little bit. It means that the market can move a little bit into this very area and then come back. So what you need to pay attention to right now is a retracement and not the market moving to the upside sporadically. That tendency exists that the market can just move sporadically right now, but what I am looking at in the immediate short term is the market to push a little bit into this area, and market is going to retrace within this zone to the downside, and that is what you need to watch right now, guys. Is very important. And on the other chart, if you look at ADA move all the way from here into this level of critical resistance as well, and this very point is a big rejection on the chart. It means that there are serious sellers here willing to shut the market to the downside because of this rejection. Market come back down, market entered into the same point in the future, come back down again. What do you think? Is the market going to come back down from here? The answer is yes. Market have high capacity of coming back down from here. But for me right now on ADA, market should come back down. Okay, on ADA, I am expecting the market come back down. Even though I see the market begin to move up a little bit, I will not consider that move strong. I will still be expecting the market to come back down until we'll see the bulls beat this very rejection by sellers at this very point. This is what you must have to watch on ADA. This very rejection is very key on the chart, and that is the highest high that ADA have created in the past few months. And on Solana here, if you look at Sol, it moved from here into this area. Market created a new low than the previous low at this point. What this means is the market have capacity of coming down, but right now market is moving upward. So expect this market to move upward a little bit, and the level to watch is this very point of resistance. So this very area is very important on the chart. So market should move a little bit into this area, and we should see the market begin to come back down from this very area of resistance. So either you take this very zone or this very price level is also very key. So they are on the same resistance. Okay, so markets moving into this area and then come back down is very important on Solana right now. So Solana, pay attention to market moving down. This move will not last long. Rather, pay attention to the market from this zone come back to the downside, and this is very important as we approach the weekend. And lastly, on Matic, if you look at this rejection on Matic right now, it means that the market still have capacity of moving into this level of important resistance as well. So expect the market to slide into this area a little bit, and once we begin to see significant bearish presence with bearish candles, then we're going to see the market move down on Matic as well. So the level to watch is this very point of important resistance. Market should move a little bit into this area, and bearish candle within this zone, it means that the market is going to continue the movement to the downside, because what we see on the chart is very clear to us, and we cannot neglect this movement. The fact that Matic move down, retrace, move down again, so retracement is necessary, and at the end of retracement, market is going to continue downward until we'll see the market fail to create a new low. That is when we'll know that this market have changed direction and it want to move to the upside. So this is what you must have to watch right now on these various charts. On Matic, pay attention to market moving down. Solana market is going to move down, and on ADA market is going to move down as well. On ETH right here, a little movement to the upside is needed for market to begin to continue to the downside, and the same thing on BTC. These are the things you need to watch right now on the charts. If you find value in this very video, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.